What's up, everybody? My name's Jump and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing another Monarch First Edition booster box opening. First edition right there. Alright, let's get started. Maybe we'll pull something besides cold foil commons, but beggars can't be choosers. And yeah, let's get started. Alright. Nice and shiny box, nice and shiny packs. Let's start with the light side, dark side. Do they alternate? Oh yeah, they do. Alright. Let's go. In the words of Little Baby, let's go. Alright. Bounding, the smash, the big tree. Let me get this to focus real quick. Herald of Protection, Express Lightning, Enigma Chimera, Binding Beam, Rally the Rear Guard, Frontline Scout, Warmongers, Lunar Tide, and our first foil of the day, Arcanic Crackle. With the Ironhide as the equip, and on Hallowed Rites and Glisten for the rares. Nothing too crazy yet. You know what? We're gonna go alternating. Dark, light, dark, and light. Hey, Blasphemous! That is the cold foil that I got from Rudy. Okay, let's go. Dread, Honoring Slaughter Beast, Express Lightning, Courageous, Blood Tribute, Frontline, and Rouse the Ancients. First Majestic foil. That ain't bad. That's a hit. I don't got that card. But look at that. What's that do? As an additional cost play, Rouse the Ancients, you may reveal any number of attack action cards from your hand with 13 or more strength. If you do, it gains +7 and go again. That ain't bad. That's a brute card. Maybe a Levi card. Not sure. But yeah, let's get that bad chicken in a whatchamacallit sleeve there. Evan Full. Got a little muck there. Convulsions from the Bellows of Hell and Glisten in red. What we just opened, a light pack? No, we just opened a dark pack. Now we open a light pack. So not too crazy yet. We got our Rouse the Ancients for our foil Majestic. Like I said, don't have that card, won't mind it. Here, let's do it from the back. We got Plow Through for the rare. Phantasmify in yellow. Gallantry gold. And Herald of Tenacity. That guy looks cool in foil. And we just got our commons. Open the dark pack now. Well, that pack was kind of open already. We got a Soul Shackle token. Soul Food. Another Majestic foil. My second Soul Food. I don't know if that's being played in any light decks, but we'll take it. Gallantry Gold, Dust Path Pilgrimage, and a Blue Seek Horizon. Second Majestic, and no regular Majestics yet. Soul Food. Tell me if we play Soul Food, because I don't know. I gotta look up light deck decks. Lately been playing a lot of Chain. Chain is my boy. Devinous, or Deadwood Rumbler, what am I saying? Seeds of Agony, Enigma, Blinding. And our foil is Rifted Torment. I hope I pull a Soul Reaping. That's like hard to pull. Foil common there. Beautiful Blood Drop Brocade, Howl from Beyond, and Valiant Thrust. Nothing crazy so far. Graveling Growl. We're gonna go quick here and then we'll slow down. Oh, it's a cold foil. Common time skippers, cold foil time skippers. I mean that looks pretty good though. Look at that. Another cold foil common. And we got mutated mass for our majestic there. Let's get this guy in a sleeve here. Don't have time skippers, so add it to the collection. Cold foil time skippers, not bad. Still early in the box, so who knows? Might be a double cold foil box. Like our last video, we pulled double cold foil common, so possibly could be another one, which I will not be complaining about. Alright. Illuminate, Seek Enlightenment. What is that? Tremors of Irathiel. Foil rare. Then Pulping and a Dimensional Gateway. Rare. For some more Majestics, let's do the flip. Tome of Divinity. There's another Majestic for us there. And Seeping Shadows for the rare. Halo of Illumination and Stony Wootenhog. Common rare. Alright, I don't need any more Soul Foods or Tome of Divinities. I think that's like, I got a full playset of those already. Alright, let's see here. What is that? Brandish for the rare. Stubby Hammers and Valiant and Herald of Judgment for the rare. Almost halfway through the box here, and these booster packs have been like super simple to pull open compared to the previous ones I did. Maybe let's do some flip magic here. Valiant Thrust in red, Valiant Thrust in yellow, Ironhide Helm, and a blue Dimensional Gateway. I will put that in my chain deck to bling it out. Memorial Grounds. Got 4 Majestics, a cold foil time skippers, 2 foil Majestics, 2 regular Majestics. We got red Dimensional Gateway, Pulping in red. Need that for Levia. Gonna try it in Levia. And Surging Militia common. Maybe we're gonna try to stay optimistic, but maybe we are just due to stay with cold foil commons all day long. Let's see here. Minnowism and Riftbind in yellow. For a common foil. Vexing Malice in yellow. And Celestial Cataclysm. That would look nice in foil, wouldn't it? But hey, I will take that. Good card. Good card. Very tempo gain card there. Played against it in the Bolton. I was like, oh boy, and you get go again? And you have 3 things charged in your soul? Yeah, the Bolton I was playing had a bunch of stuff charged in his soul, so he's coming at me pretty good. Good hit so far. It's not bad. Let's see if we can pull anything else here. And come on, Soul Reaping. Take Flight in yellow. It's an additional cost to play Take Flight. You may charge your hero, so if you charge this turn, it gets go again. Not bad. Prismatic and Parable of Humility. I think this is like one of my first ones I've got at this card. I've opened, what, 4 boxes? 3 boxes total, 1 box break. But I don't have a lot of these. Cool. Not too interested in playing Prism though. Like I said, I'm more of a Shadow player. Alright, look at that. We got the Cracked Bauble. Herald of Triumph. That is rare. Let's see here. Boop. Invigorating Light in red. Blood Drop Brocade. And Zealous Belting common foil. About halfway through the box now. 3 regular Majestics, 2 foil Majestics, and a cold foil Time Skipper so far. Nothing too crazy, nothing to brag about. Pretty average box. Valiant Thrust, rare. Right there, Halo of Illumination. And double Battlefield Blitz, and another Cracked Bauble. Alright guys, let's do it this way here. Double cold foil, nope, red Minnowism, that I will take. Trying to do a Minnowism Viscerai deck. Ironhawk Gauntlet, a red Seek Horizon, I do need those. And Wraithing Beast Hulk in red. Alright guys, down to our last 8 packs. We got 4 light, 4 dark. Let's see what we get here. Yeah, these booster packs are super easy to rip. Let's do a flip. Phantasmaclasm. Non-foil. Got a play set of those. Howl from Beyond, rare. Time Skippers, and blue Vexing Malice in foil. That is also going to chain. I will play that with that there. Cool. Let's open a dark pack. Look at that. That's so simple. I don't know. Maybe I was opening those wrong before. I don't know. Hey, Talisman of Dowsing. Was that Soul Reaping? Nope. That's a Brute card. Deadwood Rumbler. Common. Equip. And another red Seek Rising and a Soul Harvest. Alright, I think we're going to be good there. 6 Majestics, 2 of them foil, 1 cold foil. Pretty average box. And Lunar Tide Plunder for our common rare. And Pulping and Tremor of Erethiel. Alright. Sorry guys, I haven't been paying attention to the camera if I'm like you guys can even see this or not. Spew Shadow, Memorial Ground, and Dread Screamer in yellow. Foil common. Hooves of the Shadow Beast, Invigorating Light, and another Majestic. Arclight Sentinel. First one for me. If Arclight is in the arena when an opponent announces an attack, they must choose Arclight Sentinel as the target. So do you like pre-play this? This is like a defense card, yeah? I guess. 7 Majestics, that's not bad. Not bad at all. I think that's a little above average now. Maybe we can pull some more. Let's see. Oh, another cold foil. Is it a common? Double cold foil Time Skippers. What? Look at that. And we got one right here. There we go again. Double cold foil box, but this one's duplicated. Double Time Skippers. Here, let's put that in a box, or not a box, but the sleeve here. Well, I got 2 time skippers. Anybody want to trade? Foil, cold foil time skippers. Can we get a triple cold foil box here? Man, wish it was a carrying husk. But, oh well. Rally the rear guard in red. Now, I'll go into Levia. Plow through. Ooh, another majestic Guardian of the Shadow Realm. That makes my second one. That's pretty good. Hey, we're above average right now. I mean, not the cold foils I'm looking for, but, you know, I'll take them. For every one pulling double legendary boxes, we got double common cold foil boxes. Alright, let's see here. Yanti, well, common, and endless maw and pulping. Alright guys, last pack. Shadow pack. Hopefully something is good here. Not expecting too much. I think we are above average with the 2 cold foils, 2 foil majestics, and we have 6 regular majestics. Let's go. Alright, let's slow roll. Soul Reaping, come on. Invigorating Light, rare. Not bad. And ending. Oh, another majestic. Oh my lord. That's above average there. We got a Deep-Rooted Evil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 foil majestics and 2 cold foil time skippers. Which I will probably be trading one or selling one to get some of the other ones. But there we go, guys. That was an above average box. We got, like I said, we got 7 majestics, 2 foil, and 2 cold foils. Not bad. Not bad. Like I said, beggars can't be choosers, but that is it, guys. Thank you for tuning in and watching. Stay tuned for more box breaks and other videos of the sorts coming soon. But yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good day.